Okay, so here we are on the interior below decks of Saucy Lady. You can see we've got two aft cabins here. Needs a bit of love. Needs to be cleaned out, really. Decent looking captain's table there with instruments, but as you can see, a lot of stuff was kind of tossed about during the storm, so just a bit of a cleanup required. Got some batteries there. The engine actually looks to be in decent shape. Would obviously need to be checked out. That's a Volvo Penta D240. There are two heads in this boat, one forward, one aft, and then a third cabin just in the front. You can see the galley here. Bit of work required. It's the forward head and the V berth at the front of the boat. Not too many signs of water damage coming from the ceiling or the walls, but it seems like there, let's check the bilge. There is water in the bilge. You can kind of hear it. And the floors feel like they've taken on a bit of moisture. That's likely from the fiberglass damage at the aft of the boat. So this is Saucy Lady. Needs a lot of love. Check her out on Harbor Shoppers today.